NCS Chemistry is the worldwide leader in ultra-concentrated car wash chemistry solutions. We also specialize in conventional concentrates, truck wash, and detail products. We own the most powerful brands in the industry, from Rain-X, Armor All, to Black Magic.
The goals for this project and working with NCS were a couple. We had to relieve ergonomic stressors for operators. There was tons of manual tasks, lots of heavy lifting, lots of bending over, and then also increasing throughput and efficiency overall.
Some of the challenges we had to overcome was fitting this into a tight space while keeping the previous asset running all the way up until decommission and cutover. The Salas O'Brien team did a fantastic job of giving us options, giving us a number of avenues we could explore where we got to balance the risk versus the reward. And I felt they were just as invested in the successful outcome of this project as we were.
Our role as Salas O'Brien in this project was very much partnership with NCS. It really felt like we were sitting on the same side of the table, driving through, resolving issues, working together to produce the best automated line that we possibly could for their business need.
For safety, we've seen a reduction in chemical exposure for our operators. We've seen a quality benefit with an increased consistency in our packaging. We've seen delivery go through the roof by having on-time complete with the throughput gain of the high-speed automated lines.
We took on specifying all OEM equipment, full system integration, and also providing customized pieces of equipment. We also did all of our construction management, project management, and cash flow tracking.
In talking with one of our operators, he finished up today on his 10-hour shift, running 16,000 gallons of production through this line. The previous asset was 5,000 gallons maximum on a 10-hour shift.
We've developed really strong relationships, not only with their engineering team, their maintenance folks, but also operations as well. So really long-lasting relationships are what I'm looking forward to coming out of working with them on this project.
Working with Salas O'Brien was a true end-to-end partnership. We were together at idea generation, at site prep, at commissioning, post-commission install, and still working together today. We ended up at a phenomenal end result that delivered on time, in full, with no production losses, no customer shorted product.